Hi, welcome to KP Wellness Path. This is Aruna, Senior Yoga Instructor from KP's team. So today I am going to show you some neck exercises for stress relief and stiff neck. So you have to repeat all the exercises from 5 to 10 times. Each and every exercises you have to practice 5 to 10 times. Okay, sit straight with back straight. You should not hunch your back. Place your both the hands on your knees. Close your eyes. Inhale, look up, chin up. Stretch your neck. Exhale, chin to the chest. Stretch your neck behind. Inhale up. Exhale down. Chin to the chest. Inhale up. Exhale down. Okay, this is one exercise you have to repeat 5 to 10 times. Okay, now next exercise. So close your eyes. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn your head towards the right and hold for some time. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. This is also do it 5 to 10 times. Okay. Next one. Hold your head like this with your right hand. Hold your head, left side of your head, and tilt your head towards the right shoulder and hold. Keep breathing and hold. Breathing should be normal. And slowly release and change. And slowly release. Now shoulder shrugs. From sitting position, you have to sit like this and lift your shoulders towards the ears. Close your eyes, spine straight. Lift your shoulders and down. Inhale, lift and down. Inhale up, exhale down. This one also I have to practice 10 times. So these are few neck exercises for relieve your stress and relieve your stiffness of your neck. If you have any neck pain also reduce avutundi ee stretches tho. For more details please contact us. Thank you.